In our health alert tonight, hundreds of children in our state have sickle cell anemia, and these children need your help. They need a transfusion of healthy red blood cells, and Johns Hopkins Children's Hospital is launching a new program to find blood donors to help. ABC 2 News' Cherie Johnson heads to Hopkins Children's Center to find out more about this new donor program.
Each month, 14-year-old Jordan McNeil comes to Johns Hopkins Children's Center for a blood transfusion. Jordan has a severe case of sickle cell anemia. You would never know by looking at him now, but 2 years ago he had 3 strokes which paralyzed the left side of his body. Through it all, he keeps a good attitude.
It's okay. I don't stress about it too much because I'm just thankful for every day I wake up.
Doctors at Johns Hopkins have come up with a new blood donor program to help kids with sickle cell anemia. The chances of finding compatible blood is enhanced by looking for matches among people of the same ethnicity. Since 90% of sickle cell patients in Baltimore are African American, doctors are only screening African Americans for matches.
The need is that about 10% of people with sickle cell disease have either had a stroke or are at high risk for stroke. And they need, in order to prevent further neurologic damage, they need chronic red cell transfusions, usually about once a month.
Peter Martin has O-positive blood, which is universal and compatible with children with sickle cell anemia. Peter plans to be a donor.
It's painless, it's 1 pint of blood, and it's not frequent, it's once a month, and you're doing a great deal of good work and healing for these kids.
Jordan's mother hopes more African American donors turn out to help.
There are emergencies all the time, every day, and a moment of giving somebody some blood, you're really not losing anything. Reaching out to someone to save someone's life, it could be a grown-up, it could be a baby. Get out there.
Jordan has his eye on a career in acting. He offers this plea to African American donors so he can be around to fulfill his dream.
Help. Just help. Do the best you can do. Just donate and donate and donate.
Well said, Jordan.
And if you can't, tell a friend.
And with a smile like this, who can say no? Cherie Johnson, ABC 2 News.